Okay, so this is how the story goes. Covered up my mic. You can't hear me for some parts. I will be talking, but no words come out. Enjoy the video. Sorry if the camera's weird. My camera is usually over here, but it's over here now because I'm charging it.
It's me, you're the PS5. Tell me which of us is more your type. Seems like you can't decide. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit out my ass. Booted up my PC, cause I need to get that Fortnite Battle Pass. I like Fortnite, did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite. It's nighttime, I mean it's 5 o'clock, that's basically nighttime. Now remember Cartoon Network, Adventure Time.
It's me, you're the PS5. Tell me which of us is more your type. Seems like you can't decide. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit out my ass. Booted up my PC, cause I need to get that Fortnite.
Excuse me. I disagree. I do. Here, let me help you take it off. You know? I don't know why everyone needs auto by the way. Hold on, let me switch my camera. This is very weird. Hold on. I disagree. I don't know why. His voice needs to be deeper. I disagree. No. It sounds cool, but I kind of disagree. It sounds, it sounds because it's meant. I think. I like this. Cause I hear on my mind. I want to done right now. Bars. I don't know why he needs auto-tune. He doesn't need auto-tune. I mean, maybe reacting to this is a bad idea because I disagreed before, but now I agree. Yeah, because she's meant to. She's about. Oh yeah, I remember. I know this. I don't know why I'm doing it in front of a window. Okay, next up. Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit. Oh, we got Witty, Tabby, and the Gotti. Straight up at the thumbnail. Shut up, please. Okay, here we go. I'll sub if you do part 4. 3, witty. Let's see. BF sound, yeah, we know. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I think his voice should be less, less like that. I think his voice should be less like that, because it's been proven. Here we go. I haven't heard of this mod before.
We are starving.
Hey! I got it. Oh! That sounds... Let me be a nerd for a second. Actually, that is incorrect. Agati got a new voice. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but yeah, that old one, yes, but he got a new voice.
You have been here for years now, you stink, because you were same shit and the same band.
Sands, please. Sands. Fuck!
I'm angry. Just kidding. It's impossible to be angry using this effect, okay? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Don't skip this video, watch it entirely because I have to prove that my sounds are real.
Yeah, we're gonna skip that one. Hold on. We're gonna skip that one because it's not him voicing anything. This is fake, by the way. This is not all real dialogue. Clearly fake. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is real lore. My brother just came in barging my door with wanting popcorn, which we have, but he doesn't want it. Okay, it sounds like that. In the popcorn. You can have a seat while we welcome you with joy and peace. How dare you? Don't you know this is a great place? If you don't take a seat, my friend called. This one boyfriend could no longer resist and had to pee on the floor, so Servante called rough. I like how he's creating his own lore. I like that. I think this is canon. I don't know much of this. That's B. Go. I mean, he could have reported that to his piano, right? He does. How dare you feel the way also with our activations to make sure I hate you ever had kill you.
Excuse me, sir. Can you please give me no? There is too much wind and it hurts my cervical spine.
Just wind by my voice. My microphone is not even plugged in. Well, basically, can you consider myself blue bald? Awesome. No, we're watching in order. How long have I been recording? Stop.
Give it to your sister, it doesn't hurt. And see if she can handle every family burden. She buckles and bends, but never breaks. No mistakes, just pressure like a grip. Then won't let go.
This is gonna get copyrighted, but I don't care. Hey! Hey! Banger, by the way. Press enter to select mode. You already did this in the first episode. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this because this is C. Ooh! We got Majin, we got Huggy Wuggy, and we got the Endless. Majin. That was scuffed. Welcome to this world. I promise you will have fun together. This fun, do I tell you, and I'll give you my same side. And the smile is shining like the wine. So Commander has sitting, which is stop playing those skis, we will actually see it. The girlfriend got here before, now she's a gorgeous smile. I want to sing, but I can't. Does this actually happen? Is this actually the sound? I don't know if this is actually real. 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Don't need autotune. 3, 2. No, I'm not gonna try to do it. Oh God, here we go. No. I don't know why I'm trying to impersonate him. I don't want to impersonate it. I know I can't do it any better. I can't. Okay, let's watch one more and then we'll end it. Let's watch one more. Here we go. Let's watch this one where I'm going to end it. Cut 2,000 slices, make it to your golden brown. I should have been liking this. Hold on. 3, 2, 1, day. I'm gonna play FNF back, but I gotta wait another, I don't know how many years, but probably a decade. I don't know, like maybe 3 years. Imposter. Do 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 do. I don't know why you're telling me what chord it is, because I don't play violin. Okay. Familiar, yes. Hypno. Come, little girlfriend, come with me. Boyfriend's waiting steadily.
I'm not that Pikachu, I'm not that sweet. Come with me,
Let's play hide and seek. I'm almost stopped.
Don't make me cry. Now just you can no longer fly. Now just sleep, you can no longer fly.
I'm sorry, I should stop. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. We end off. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody. We'll watch the rest tomorrow, maybe. So yeah, peace out.